Hey YouTube, it's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today I just wanted to show you something that my wife and I built to help us with the food can organization in our garage. So I hope to help someone who's thinking about building one of these. It was super simple. It took us probably about 3 to 4 hours one evening to knock it out and do it, and it was pretty cheap to build. So that's what I'm about to show you today, so I hope you enjoy. So this is the end product. I'm actually in the process of changing the pieces that are behind these cans. There's a triangle piece here like this that pushes the can out, so that way when you go to get it, you can actually pull it out and get it. Before I had put these, and of course that didn't do anything. So I learned from my mistakes and I actually built this pretty simple. Just took a 2x4 and split it in half with a 45-degree angle. So I picked these pieces of wood at Lowe's, and these are 1.5 by 1/2 inch, and these pieces here are, I believe, 3.5 by 1/2 inch, and they were in the that's like the wood that no one wants. I think it's like leftovers. You buy them pretty cheap. I think it was like maybe at $2 a board. A board is like 96 inches. So I bought, I think, 6 of them, and I bought, I believe, 4 of these or 5. So so let me walk you through what I did. So I built the frame. So I boxed it out. I built the frame. Mine happens to be 37 inches by 90 inches. Nope, not 90 inches, 70 inches. So 37 by 70. And I built the frame for it. I secured it with these screws right here. So I secured the sides like this with those screws, and all of them, wherever I had access to the boards, I secured them with those 2 screws. Some people use glue and the screws. Honestly, I'm not that patient, and I did not use glue. I just used the screws, and it worked out fine. And then what I did is I just literally used these cans to measure where the boards would go. So there's no specific science. I just basically put a can on one side, and then I make sure there was some leeway on each side, and then I used a nail gun to nail these boards up. So, and then as far as the spacing here, what I did is I used a 2x4 to kind of know how much space to use. I figured that was a good enough space for a can to fit through, and it worked out. And also on the top, I did the same thing. So I hope this helps someone out and encourages someone to go ahead and build one of these. These are awesome. I was able to empty a lot of cabinet space and just put all of these organized, and now we know what we have. And the cool thing about this is that you put the ones that are going to expire soon at the bottom right, and then the ones that are going to expire the latest on the top, so that way you can keep rotating them, and you don't waste food. So in our house, we don't waste any food. We're Portuguese, we eat everything. So I hope this helps someone out. All right, thank you.